Hey guys, this is going to be a real short one. On your horse trailer, on your lift gate, I did some research and I couldn't find anything on them. I've done this to a few and it's worked out great. But if you have a lift gate on your trailer with that style spring assist, and your gate's still hard to get up and everything's messed up under there, I'm going to show you what I do to help that out. So hopefully, see the old holes? If you move that spring clamp up about 1.5 inches toward the back of the trailer and then tighten it up. And you want to adjust it so the ramp is just barely dancing off the ground. And then you'll be able to pick it right up. Just as good as new. That spring wears out a little bit and it just helps adjust it, gives it more tension. So hopefully that works out for some of you people out there. All right, have a good one.